It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day outside, man. What's the word, YouTube? Back with another video, man. Today's video is gonna be another POV type come with me kind of vlog. Just because I don't really got nothing going on with the car, man. See, I'm already sweating. It's super hot outside, by the way, so that's why I'm already sweating. I just walked outside, and it's gonna be another POV. I thought I'd give y'all a different type of intro because y'all always used to be already driving and then I do the intro or whatever. I got a little snippet of the stuff I got going on. I got some stuff that I'm not gonna speak too much on, but I got something I got kind of working. I'm trying to work out, so I'm gonna give y'all a little snippet of like what that might look like. So I'm gonna post that short. Probably I might actually post it today, or I might post it Friday. Just depends, but just be on the lookout for that. But yeah, man, hopefully y'all day been going great. I'm letting the car I'm kind of letting this AC kick in because it is extremely hot right now, and I know I got the windows down. Right now, and obviously I look kind of dumb trying to cool off and I got the windows down. It's hot, but we're gonna try to get this going. Right now I'm actually headed back over towards the crib. I got somewhere I gotta be, and yeah, I'm gonna just take y'all with me. Hopefully y'all been enjoying the content, man. I've been seeing y'all showing love, man. I appreciate it a lot. It really does go a long way, and it's helping me push these videos out. Even though it's already fun posting these videos, and the positive comments are always great. I always appreciate the positiveness, the positivity, excuse me. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all for watching, and let's get on with this video. All right, y'all. I had to take a second to adjust my head mount. I had to take a second to adjust my head mount. But yeah, hopefully y'all been enjoying these videos. I know these POVs can kind of get a little repetitive. It's all the simple fact, like, it's just me driving, you know. But some people do enjoy it, so that's why I want to keep the content kind of versatile, where I do a little bit of everything. I'm gonna just keep pushing these out to y'all if I can. Yeah, I'm trying to get some more content in for y'all, like some different stuff, not just POVs. Like, I eventually want to go to car meets. I want to take the car to car meets and stuff, and just show the car off, man. Give y'all some content showing y'all some other cars as well, instead of it just being my car only, you know. Want to give y'all some versatility. And look at that, my check engine light just came on. I don't know if y'all just saw that, but I hate when that happens. I explained what that check engine light is in my video. My video should be called Where It All Started. I'll tag it in the video right here. If you haven't, make sure you go check it out. It's a video of me talking about the car, talking about basically where it started from, and how it got up and running, and how it got to where it's at now. So see, this is why it gets crazy over here in this area. If y'all are from St. Louis, y'all definitely know where I'm at right now, but it gets kind of crazy. Not only do people drive dumb, but just dumb stuff happens. It's like certain areas in St. Louis, you'll encounter more dumb drivers. But like I was saying in the intro, I do have some stuff that I'm trying to work out to kind of get moving for y'all boys. So I definitely want to get that going for sure. I want to lock that in if I can, because not only will it help on both ends, but it will also help with the channel, man. Just getting the channel out there, you know. I left my water in my car. It's hot. Hold on, can y'all hear this? Well, it sounded like a soda. That's the reason all this traffic was here. That right there. That was the whole entire reason why that traffic stopped like that. It's because of that one car. I'm not gonna beat on the car too much right now. I say right now. I'm not gonna do too many pulls or nothing right now because I just want to chill. Okay, I'll chill POV. Nothing crazy. So. I'm gonna try to get this video out to y'all as soon as possible. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I've had a pretty busy week. Just with a whole bunch of some work, like just a whole bunch of work. And when I say work, I'm talking about like college work, like homework and stuff. The workload is starting to kind of kick in, so I'm gonna try to get this video out to y'all by tomorrow. If I do get it to y'all, if I don't get it to y'all on time, it's probably gonna be like an hour late. If I don't get it to y'all on time. Cause I usually post at like 5 o'clock. That's usually when I post, it's 5 p.m. So yeah, I don't know if it's been like that. I've only been in school for 2 weeks. Oh, I just hit the camera. I'm sorry, y'all. I've only been in school for like 2 weeks now. Well, this will be the second week, because last week was our first full like week or whatever. So I'm getting adjusted to it. It's not like too hard as of right now. It's more so like just using my time management or whatever. So I usually try to get most of my work done in a day so that at night I can just kind of chill. Like I'm probably, once I get back from this, I'm probably just gonna start editing this video later tonight. Yeah, I'm probably gonna just start editing this video later tonight, and so it can be ready for tomorrow. Really hoping I can get it ready for y'all tomorrow. Y'all, I might have to put this up. I don't know if y'all can y'all still see the road? I don't know if y'all can still see the road. That sun is just like sitting in my eyes. I can't do that. Look like nobody was driving that van. I was about to say. But yeah, I've had a long day, man. I can't lie. It's been a pretty long day. Y'all, this is like my third time yawning in this video. Oh no. Traffic jam. This is not fun. Complete stop? Okay. This is the downside. I should have known though, because it is going on 5:30. Video's probably already been long enough, so I'm not gonna sit here and bore y'all with me sitting in traffic. So I'm probably just gonna end this video here. Hopefully y'all been enjoying the E39 content, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate all the new subs, man. I really do. I appreciate it a lot, man. Y'all don't have to do none of that. And the fact y'all taking the time out y'all day to watch my videos, man, I appreciate that. So appreciate all the love, the support. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got more content coming. If you enjoy the content, man, check out the channel, man, and subscribe if you're new, man. What you doing? Join the gang. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. That's not my outro. I just messed it up. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.
Got me some money and niggas stop begging and bitches start sending me more hard eyes. I'm giving testimony.